Today we are going to learn how to compare decimal numbers. So I am going to do some questions for you, and then you will be able to do some questions yourself. If you have feel any problem, I will be with you to solve the question. So one of the question number 1 says which is greater, and the number is given as 1.29 or 1.92. Actually two numbers are given. We must first see the number before the decimal. It is 1 and it is 1, so they are both same, and just after a decimal it is 2 and it is 9. So definitely 1.92 must be greater than, because 1 is same, so we can cancel it, so leave this, and after a decimal there is 2 and there is 9. So it means this number is greater than the 1.29, so we write 1.92. Similarly, there are two numbers are given, 7.05 or 7.50. Which one is the greatest? So 7 is the same, so we leave to compare this number. Just after a decimal it is 0 and here it is 5. So 7.50 must be the greater value. And similarly 87.76 or 87.67. So 87 before the decimal and 87 at the before the decimal, the two numbers are same, but just after the decimal it is 7 and it is 6. So 87.76 is the greater number. Actually it is called the 10th, and it is 100. We have learned this in our regular class. So first we compare the unit and the 10 if they are same. So when we compare the 10th, just after the decimal the number is called the 10th, and then if suppose they are same, so we compare the hundreds and it is just after the 10th. So 87.76 is the greater number. Similarly you can find which number is the smaller. So there are two numbers are given, and I am sure you can do it. So try yourself, and if you have failed, I will do it. I am sure you can do it. So 1.56 or 1.65. So in the unit they are same, and the 10th after the decimal they are difference. So 1.56 is the smaller, because the 5 in the 10th of first number is smaller than the 10th of the second number. So the smaller is 1.56, because the 10th value of the first number is less than the 10th number of the second number. Similarly, which number is smaller? There are two numbers, 1 and 2. So the unit number of both is same, the 100 number is same, unit 10 and the 100 number is same. Now we compare the 10th just after a decimal, it is called the 10th number, and the 10th is similar because it is 3 and it is also 3. So 100th is basically 4 here and it is 0 here, so it is the smaller value. So we just write 164.304 is the smaller value. Now I am going to do some more examples for you, and you do yourself. This is the sign of the smaller, this is the smaller, and this is the greater, and this is the equal to sign. So we have to insert the notation or the signs. So 1.6 must be less than 6.1, because the 6 in the unit it is 6 and it is 1. So we can first we see the unit 10 and 100, and if they are same, then we move to the number after the decimal. So the unit is, we can compare the decimal the number before the decimal, and it is unit. So 6 is greater than 1, so we just write the notation like this. So 6.1 is greater than 1.6. Similarly 2.98 is less than 3.01, because 3.01 is the greater number. Compare this number just before the decimal. So do yourself all the question, and I will do it so you can check it. And it is 3.6 is greater than 5.8 must be greater than 58.57, and 5.45 and the 5.405. So it is 5 at the hundredth and it is 0 in the hundredth, and the else is same. So we write 5.45 is greater than 5.405. Similarly, 1.600 and the 1.6. So 1.6 means it is also 0, 0. So whenever a number is in the decimal, when a number decimal is a number and at the last there are 0. So number of 0 has no respect. So it either I write 1.6 or 1.600. Both are same. Both are same. So we write equal to. Similarly, if it is 2.4 or 2.40, so both are same. Nothing is there, it means it is 0. 0 after the decimal. At the last, if there is 0, it has no value. We can write 2.40 or 2.4, both same. Both same. Similarly, 85.51 and 83.31. So 85 is greater than 83. And 44.044 and the 44.40. So 10th value of this number can be classified which number is greater and which number is smaller. So this number is greater and this number is smaller because the 10th value, the unit and 10 is same, and the 10th value is 0 and here 10th value is 0.4 and it is 4. So it is greater. Now in other exercise, place the number below in order from smallest to the greatest. The first one is done for you. Actually these are the number were given and we just ordered the number from smallest to the highest. So the smallest was 2.03. So we write here 2.03 and then 2.3, this 2.3 comes here and then 3.02 and further 3.2. So 3.2 is there and 3.302. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 value are. So they are arranged in from smallest to the greatest or in ascending order. Now we can do some more question here. So these questions you can try yourself. I am running out of time. If my class is over, do not worry, do yourself, and if you want to confirm it, I will upload the video for your confirmation here, right? So it is now the smallest one is the unit 6, 5, 9, 5, 5. So 5 is the smallest, and then 5.6, 5.9, 5.06. So 5.06 is the smallest, and then 5.06 and then 5.6 because 5.9 is there. So 5.6 we can write then, and the third one 5.9 here. So 5.9 is here, 906, and then 6.5, and then 9.05. So it is in the ascending order. Similarly 23.0, 32.506, 23.60650, 23.56, 32.6. So first we see the unit and 10. So 23.0, 23 and it is 32, it is 23, it is 23, it is 23. So 23 is the smallest and the 32 is the highest. Now after this decimal there is 0, there is 6 and there is 5 and it is 6. So 23.056 is the smallest, and then 23.5 and 23.6. So 23.56 and then 23.6 is the greater. No, 23.650, and then 32.6 and 32.5. So 32.506 and the highest number is 32.6 or 32.60 is the greatest number. Now the last one is 17 is there, 17 is there, 8 is there, 17 is there, 17 is there. So 8 is the smaller. So 8.99 is the smallest, and then 17 point. So 17 is same. So we compare the tens value 0.9, and so it becomes 17.099 is the greater from 8.99, and then 17.9, 17.9, 17.5. So 17.509 is the greater, and then 17.905 and 17.99. So 17.905 is the greater, and the greatest is 17.99. So it is the comparison of the decimal numbers, and I am sure you all must have got it. Still there is any problem, you will write in comment, I will reply you inshallah.